Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today we'll explain the decomposition dimension of properties. Let's begin! Let's start! When you create a keyframe, such as a position property, both the x-axis and y-axis values are determined. However, it is often more convenient to set the keyframe separately on the x and y axes, and in such cases, the properties items need to be separated into x and y axes. Here, we will separate the decomposition dimension of the position property into the x-axis and y-axis and create a keyframe. Select the property and right-click to display a menu. Check Separate Dimensions. The position properties are now divided into x-axis and y-axis properties. Select Separate Dimension again to combine dimensions. Next, we will proceed to create the keyframe. Select the stopwatch icon at the x and y positions to create the keyframe on the x and y axes respectively. The keyframe was created like this. We will enter the graph editor view. This is the graph editor's view. I edited it like this. It is separated into x-axis and y-axis so it can be edited independently. This is the end of the lecture on the decomposition dimension of the properties. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon! Bye-bye!